Good morning friends, today it's 15th of Jan 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Yesterday after long we have seen Nifty bouncing back from the crucial support levels of 23,000 mark. Yesterday the pullback was witnessed and Nifty managed to end 0.47% up at 23,271 levels. Technically, as per the price study, we have been mentioning that 23,000, 22,800 around those levels, the immediate support will be there for this series and pullback can be expected from those levels. We still remains that the index is under pressure and pullback initially is expected to witness fresh round of selling pressure. So it will be a matter of time how much pullback comes into the indices, but overall the structure is still weak and any pullback attempts towards major resistance levels is expected to witness fresh selling pressure. So on the immediate basis for Nifty futures, the resistance will be at around 23,550, 23,600 followed by 23,850. All these levels are contra trading short levels keeping strict stop losses, and gradually on the lower end the index can reattempt to test the lows of 23,000, 22,750 on the short term time frame basis. So technically the bias still remains range to down. These pullbacks, whether sustain or not, it is a matter of concern and that will be clear in days to come. For intraday players, for Nifty futures, intraday buying can be looked on dips towards 23,150 or 23,50 keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while pullback towards 23,420 and 23,550 can be looked for selling. As per the weekly OI data, 23,000 put and 24,000 call has a maximum open interest, which indicates a range bound sessions within this range. Bank Nifty futures yesterday ended at 48,971 levels. We have been saying that 48,047,500 can be looked as immediate support from where the pullback can be expected. In line with expectations, we have seen a decent 1,000 points pullback from the lows, and yesterday it ended up 1.47% outperforming Nifty 50. So the outperformance still continues in Bank Nifty, but we believe that 50,500, 51,000 that can be the extended level of pullback resistance zone, and where the index can witness a fresh round of selling pressure. So this is initially just looked as a pullback rather than a trend reversal. So pullback should be looked to reduce the leverage long positions towards the resistance mark, or even contra trading short bets can be looked around those levels with strict stop losses. For the intraday players, Bank Nifty 48,550, 48,150, these are the two levels which can be looked for buying keeping a stop of 100 odd points, while 49,450, 49,750, these are the important intraday resistance levels which can be utilized for selling keeping a strict stop loss of 100 points or as per the risk appetite. As per the monthly OI data, maximum call buildup is at around 50,000 mark and 48,000 put closest to the current strike price. So overall we can expect a range bound session with a slight pullback attempts with fresh selling pressure on pullback towards the resistance levels. So overall counter specific market will remain, and the indices after a sharp sell off in last few sessions, the pullback is there, but the sustainability of the pullback is going to decide the further journey of the index. Till then, sell on rise will be the outlook. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.